of a parallelogram which I have explained you in the previous video. Okay, so now let us use this property and let us solve the property. Okay, so before that, you see there are many properties which are lying on your screen, okay, regarding the parallelogram, which we are going to do it now. Okay, so with the use of those properties, okay, we are going to do the sums. The property will be lying like that on the screen, so you can use this property so as to do the sums. Okay, so our next question is, let me read out the question. In a parallelogram, the sum of any two adjacent angles is 180. I've explained you what is an adjacent angle also. Adjacent angle means side by side, that is 180 degree. So it can, sometimes they will write it, the sum of the angles is 180 degree, or some of the adjacent angles are supplementary, because there is a property. Okay, so property, what does it say? It says that when two angles, when you add, the adjacent angles will give you 180. Okay, so now our work is what, as they are saying parallelogram. Okay, so let us prepare, okay, parallelogram. So parallelogram, just like okay, let me do a rough parallelogram so that making a diagram will be very good to solve a sum. Whenever they give a sum without a diagram, you try to draw the diagram. Okay, now in this, what are the angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, and okay, so these are the angles. Okay, now adjacent angles means angle A is adjacent to angle B. Okay, adjacent. Okay, adjacent. Okay, right, AD adjacent, where angle B is adjacent to angle C, angle C is adjacent to angle A, angle A is adjacent to angle B, and so on. Same thing, means side by side. Okay, so okay, we know that some of the properties are there which are lying on your screen, that this AD is a transversal and BC is also transversal. Transversal means what? Just like if I am, for example, say, I'll show you what a transversal is. If I am just like doing this like this, okay, so I'm just extending the line. So if you'll see nicely, these two lines, okay, okay, cuts the parallel lines. So then we will say that they are transversal. Okay, transversal, understood. Okay, and we can say parallel also. AD is parallel to BC also, as well as it is transversal also. Okay, where it is dividing the line AB and CD into two equal parts or in half parts. Okay, so we can say that AB is parallel to DC and transversal also. You understood what a transversal is? Okay, now whenever this happens, so we'll say that the angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Why? You see, I am writing the reason. Sum of the interior angles of a side of a transversal means, as they are transversal, they are transversal to these lines. Okay, so the interior will be, sir, interior this one only, this is also interior. Okay, the sum of the interior angles will be equal to 180 degree when this is a transversal. So we can say that, so angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. You are right. Whenever any transversal is there, okay, with as well as a parallel line as well as a transversal line is there. Okay, see, this is a parallel line and it is a transversal line. So when a parallel line is being divided into, what we say, when the parallel, wait, something I have mistake. B, C, D, with some mistakes. It is equal to C. Okay, it will not AB. Sorry. AD na? AD is there na? AD and AC. Different. Okay, I'm saying that these two are transversal and parallel, but I'm writing this one. Okay, so these two are parallel also, these two are transversal also. Whenever such case arises, the sum of the interior angles, interior means inside angles, which you are already aware of that, okay, will be 180 degree. Done. Similarly for this one, now in case of this one, these two are transversal, okay, and these two are parallel. So in that case, the sum of the angles will be also 180. Okay, we can say now in this case, as AD and BC was parallel, now in this case AB and DC is parallel, AB parallel to DC and transversal also. Okay, in that case what will happen? Angle C plus angle D will give you 180 degree. Okay, now add both the values, first equation, second equation. So first equation, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, so it will be 180 degree plus 180 degree. Okay, equation 1 is there, equation number 2 is there. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Up to here you understood, na? Okay, now what else we have to find out? Okay, 360 degree. These are the sum of the angles of a parallelogram. Okay, but here we are not being asked to do this one, but I did for your convenience. Okay, understood. So this one, if they are asking to find out, you will do. Okay, but here we have, what you have to do, we have to find the sum of the two adjacent angles. We did two adjacent angles. So we cannot write B and C also. You can write also same thing. You will say these are transversal and these are parallel line. So the next line you can say that angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, if they say that these two are parallel lines, then D plus A, angle D plus angle A, again you can say is equal to 180 degree. Again they are transversal because of parallel, they are property. But if they say that sum of all the angles is 360, then you can go for this process. But if they say you have to say only the adjacent angles are 180 or supplementary, then this is the method. Clear? It's clear? Okay, let's go for the next one. Next question is, they are saying that the adjacent sum of the adjacent angles, okay, the adjacent angles are equal. Same diagram, the adjacent angles are equal. You have to find out the measure of each angle. Adjacent angles means, so AB or BC or CD or D, they are equal. So you write they are equal, na? Let the adjacent angles be what? X. Okay, so first adjacent angle if is X, second also X. Sum of the angles will be, for example, I am assuming angle A plus angle B equal to 180. Okay, so adjacent angles are equal, so this is X degree, so this is also X degree equal to 180 degree. Okay, so 2x degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so X degree is equal to 90 degree. So one is 90, then another will be also 90 degree. Okay, clear? Okay, let's go for the next one. Now instead of giving the values, they are saying that they are in the ratio form. Ratio is just like 2:3. Then what I will say, let the first angle be 2x and second is 3x. So what you will say, 2x plus 3 is equal to 180. Same thing. If they are saying equal, you will write x and x or y and y. If they are saying in the ratio form, you will take it that the ratio be this way. You know what you have to do. Okay, the method is same, the questions are different. Okay, now next value. Okay, one diagram is there. Okay, the diagram is there. Okay, so now this is a question, okay, where we have to use the properties of a parallelogram and we have to find out the answer. Okay, so let us do. So what you have to find out, there is a angle A, they gave you 100 degree. So angle A is equal to 100 degree, where angle C is equal to x degree. Angle B, okay, angle B have two values. So instead of writing angle B, I will write angle CBA, you know y, equal to z degree and this y degree. One more y degree, don't need to write that much. So we have to find out the values by using the properties. So what are the properties are they lying on your screen? You see, first property is a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay, wait, some of the properties of parallelogram we have to do, na? Okay, so what are the properties of a parallelogram? Okay, so properties of parallelogram say that sum of the adjacent angles are 180. Adjacent angles you know. Okay, and the opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal and sum of the adjacent are 180. Okay, so with respect to that, so angle A will be equal to angle C. So 100 degrees angle A equal to angle C is x degree. So x value we got the value. Okay, now what about the z value? The adjacent sum of the adjacent angle is how much? 180. So we can say that 100 degree plus z degree is equal to 180 degree. The reason you have tried, sum of the adjacent angles is 180 degree, where z is equal to 80 degree. Okay, 100 will go that side. Now we got x value, we got z value, we need y value. We know that this is a complete angle, no sorry, 180 degree straight line. So angle z plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. So angle y is equal to 100 degree, where z is equal to 80 degree. That will go that side. Simple. Just use the property and solve the answer. Clear? Okay. So the next one. So done this one. Again we have to use some properties. Okay. Copy this one. Again. Let's go for one more sum where we have to use the properties. The diagram is not going to change the diagram. Let it be the diagram same as it is. Okay, just I need to refill the ink. Okay. Okay. So till then, maybe the formulas are lying on your screen. Okay, or any just like they will explain you that what we say, the transversal lines. Many things are there. You just go through them and write everything. Okay, which is being needed. Okay, so now let me write the question. So there now diagonals also are there. Okay, a step forward. Okay, we do have a diagonals also 4. Okay, and okay, it's a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Now you check the question. ABCD is a parallelogram where OAO equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, and your AC is AC is 5 centimeter more than DE. Okay, very good point. AC is 5 centimeter more than BD. Very good point. Okay, find what they're saying. Find OB. Okay, you have to find out. Find OB. You have to find out OB. Okay, so let us do the question. Okay, now you try. First you try. Let me see if you can do or not. First you try the question by yourself. Then we'll go into the sum. Okay, now you see that we know that they are being bisected. These two lines are being bisected. So in a parallelogram, when the two lines bisect, they will bisect into equal parts. Okay, so if OA equal to 4 centimeter, properties are there. Okay, then OC is equal to also 4 centimeter. So we can say AC is equal to 8 centimeter. Can we? Yes sir, we can say. And what they're saying, BD na? Okay, BD they're saying. Okay, they're saying that AC we have the value. AC value is there. Yes sir, AC value is there. AC value we are having. Wait for a second. No, as a small mistake maybe. They gave you this is opposite I have written. Maybe this will be DB is equal to AC. Okay, now DB is equal to 5 more than AC, so AC plus 5, where AC value is 8 plus 5 equal to 13 centimeter. So we got AC value. Okay, now what we have to find out? DB na, we have to find out OB. DB we are having, we have to find OB. Again it is being divided into equal parts. So what we have to do? So OB is equal to half of BD. Okay, so half of BD means 13 centimeter. So it will be 6.5 centimeter. Okay, and OD is also 6.5 centimeter. You know the property. Okay, so use the property and do the sum. Okay, so very simple sum. Just you have to play with the properties. Properties are very important. Okay, that's why I'm explaining this chapter, where we will explain all the properties, okay, related to that. Okay, let's go for one more question. Many sums we have to do. Okay, I'm just going to erase it down. Okay, so next question again there is a small change in the diagram. Sir, you will explain all the question by this single diagram. Yes, I'm going to explain it out. All the question with this single diagram. Why? Because my students are very intelligent. So what is the relation between that what I asked you and what you are saying? No relation. Just casually I'm asking. Okay. So this is a diagram where ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, where angle A is equal to 70 degree. You have to find out the other angles. Okay, what is the problem in that one? I know the properties. I know the drill. Okay, so sum of the adjacent angles is 180 degree. Adjacent means this one and this one, this one and this one. Okay, so you can write angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Yes, you can also write angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Hana? Adjacent angles. So angle B will be how much? Sir, it is 70, so 110 degree. So angle A value I am having. So angle D is equal to how much? This will go that side. Again 110 degree. Okay, so we have this one how much? 110 and this one also 110. Okay, sir, what about this one? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So angle A is equal to angle C. So angle A is how much? 70 degree. So angle C is also 70 degree. Done. So write the properties and use it down. Okay, so this is also done. Okay, now let's go for some more questions. Oh my god, many questions we have. There's many things to learn. Okay, so again I have to draw the diagonals. Okay, no problem. For you guys I will draw how many times it is needed. 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, no problem. I will do it. Okay, so now again let me draw the diagonals. Diagonal 1 is there and diagonal 2 this one. Okay, so let me see the okay, they gave you 40 degree and 30 degree. This is 35 degree and this is 40 degree. Okay, next 65 degree. Okay, this is 65 degree na? 65 degree. Okay, next one ABCD. Okay, what you have to find out? You have to find out angle ABO. Find angle ABO. Second one, many things are there. ODC, angle ODC. Third one, angle ACB, angle ACB. The fourth one, angle CBD. Okay, so there are many things which you need to find out. Again the same thing, you have to use the properties of a parallelogram. Okay, they are very important. So that's why I told you that go through the properties over and the video which I have made over the properties. Regarding all the properties have you explained you each and every property. I have explained you how it works. If not, you just pin me down. I will send you the properties. You can copy it down. Okay, so next one. So try the sums. The first one is if you see that this is 35, this is 40, so we can say angle is equal to 40, 75 directly, 75 degree we can say. So here okay, what you have to find out? Angle ABO. You have to find out this one. You have to find out angle ABO na. ABO you have to find out. Okay, wait. So let me mark with the red marker so that it will be easier for you. So this one you have to find out a small part of the entire triangle. Okay, so if you'll see that, see, I will explain you how to get over these sums. What they are asking you to find out, draw the diagram. Sir, like this is there and like this is there. So this one I have to find out. Now you see, this arc is there, the arc is lying on which two lines? So this line and this line. This line is, so the name of the line is you can say OBA, like this, like this OBA. Okay, you have to make like this only. So you have to see that the arc made by the angle is lying on which two lines? Sir, these two lines only. This is not coming. Okay, so yes sir, I am having this one. I have to find out, do you having this one? Yes sir, that 65. So this is also 65 because vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Possible. So you can get this value, this one plus this one plus this one, 180. So your angle you have to find angle OBA is equal to how much? 180 degree minus, add them, 60, 70, 90, 100 degree. Okay, so your answer is 80 degree. Your answer is 80 degree. Okay, so you got this answer, you understood how I explained you out. Okay, so every time you just say that what you have to find out, and the arc is lying on which two lines. You extract that triangle or whatever is there, then you see what are the values you are having and can do the sum. Okay, so next one. So next, first one is done, ABO. Done. Okay, next one, ODC. ODC. Okay, again, I have to find out this one. Again, the same process I will use. This one I have to find out. So the arc is lying on which lines? So these two lines. So let me draw the diagram. So these two lines now like this. Okay, so O is there, D is there, C is there. So this 65 we are having. Okay, very good. And anything else? Sir, we have to find out this one. So we should have this one. We should have that one. So how we will get that value? You tell me how we are going to get that value. You see, just check it down. Okay, basically angles. Is there any other way to get the value? Any other way? 65 is there. So we got here 75. So we have to find the value of that one. No, 85. No? So we got this one as how much? 80 degree, no? 80 degree we got. Okay, 80 degree. This one you write the value, so it will be easy for you. So this one also I am having at 80 degree. Okay, so now we know that what we know. We know that these two are parallel. Okay, these two are parallel. Okay, so first you understand that after extracting this one, I need this angle. If without getting this angle, it's not possible to get this angle. And how to get this angle? How to get this angle? Possible? How? There are two methods. Okay, to get this value. You see that here I'm not having any values. Okay, any relationship with this one, not even here, nothing I am having. Okay, but you see that this is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means these two lines are parallel. Na? Parallelogram says that two lines are parallel, and any transversal if I am making like this, so this one equal to this one, alternate angle. Now we can use the property of being an alternate angle. Okay, same thing I am going to use. These two are parallel. These two are parallel, and this is transversal. So this will be equal to this one, alternate angle. This will be equal to this one. So I can write this one as 35. This one is 35. So this will be same thing. This one plus this one plus this one 180. So you will get this one 60, 70, 90, 100. So this will be 80 degree. This will be 80 degree. Or directly, sir, we can write like this one equal to this one. This is also alternate. Like this are parallel lines, and this is a transversal. So this one equal to this one equal to this one. Alternate angle. Directly you can write the value as 80 degree. You will say it's an alternate angle. Why the reason? Because in a parallelogram the lines are parallel and these are transversal. So second point is also done. Very good. Okay, let me write the value so that it will be easy for me. So this is also 80 degree. Okay, now ACB. Okay, this one I need to find out. Okay, in the right marker. ACB you have to find it. Okay, now ACB is lying on which triangle? So this one, but no problem. We have to find out ACB na. So extract that ACB, just like JCB we have to find ACB. Okay, ACB na. Okay, so I have to find out this one C, here A, here B. Here I'm having how much? 35 degree. Okay, this is a complete one, only this part 35, and this one I have to find out, do I know this value? Yes sir. So 80, but 80 is only a small part of that. The entire value, I am having the value, entire one. Entire value. No, I'm not having the entire value. So what can I do? This value, when I'll add D plus B is equal to 180 degree, do one thing. For every question, if I'll add this two is equal to 180 degree, but this one only half part having, not having this part. Try. Let me try it down also. The AC, this one you have to find out. Okay, it's a simple thing. Now only I've explained you, and now only I forgot. I've explained you what I've explained you, that the parallelogram will have a parallel lines. So this angle will be equal to this one, this will be equal to this one, this will be equal to this one, this will be equal to this one, because of the parallel line. So what to do? Nothing to do. Directly you write this is equal to 40 degree because they are alternate angle. Hai, this one and this one they are alternate. Why? These are parallel and these are transversal. This is also done. So use the properties. I am only not using. I forgot. I'm just trying to do it like this. No need for such a big method. A C B D now. There is C B D. So I have to find out this one also. So again you can use the property. You know this one. You can get this one. But we don't know this one. We don't know how I'll get this one. Hai, so okay, I will get the value. If I am not getting by using this property, then you have to extract the triangle. I have to do. Okay. So this one you have to do. Which one? C B and D. Okay, extract the triangle CBD. Na? So CBD means this one. Okay, so extract the triangle and draw the diagram. So the diagram looks like this. Okay, so where this I have to find out B is there, O is there, C is there. This is 40 degree. You may be asking, sir, they are asking CBD. Na? CBD you should write, you should take this triangle. Na? So why you have taken this triangle? Okay, you can take this triangle also. D, your wish, anything. This how much? 80 degree. This one is 40 degree. So you'll get this one. How much? 40 plus 80, 120. 120, this will be answer how much? CBD, na? CBD, no. If you'll take that triangle, it's not possible. So it's not possible. No, should not take that one. CBD. No. It's not possible. Okay, so you have to take this small part on up to O because here it is being divided. Okay, O, you have tried O. So here how much? We don't know the value of this one. This 65. So this will be how much? If this total is how much? 180 degree. If this is 65, this will be how much? So 180 minus 65, how much will be? How much it will be? 65, 115. No? 115 it will be. 180 minus 65, 60, 70, 115. This will be 115 degree. So this one 115 degree. Okay, so now this will be how much? 105 plus 40 degree, 115 degree plus 40 degree. So it will be how much? 155. So now this will total this also. Angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 155 degree. So 25 degrees is your answer. So why not we have taken this entire one? Because when you are getting some angle or when it is being bisected somewhere, you have to stop it there. Okay, so that's why I have stopped it here. If I will go for this one up to here, so the value will change and the answer will differ. Okay, so we'll do many sums. Okay, so you just carry on this one. Okay, copy it down and try to understand all the sums and the next one.